President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., in a media interview Thursday, June 27, 2024, says he is poised to announce a new education secretary by the end of this week. Vice President Sara Z. Duterte resigned as Department of Education chief last week. The president says VP Sara did not give any reason for stepping down from the cabinet. So we have to carry on, and the Department of Education is possibly, arguably, the most important department. Because education is that important. So no matter the change of leadership within the department, we still have to carry on, the president said.
She didn't give the reason. I asked her if there were any particular reasons why she has chosen to resign from the Department of Education and from the FLCAP. And she said, huwag na rin ang pag-usapan. So, well, you know, we have to carry on, and the Department of Education is quite possibly, arguably, the most important department, because education is that important. So, no matter the change of leadership within the department, we still have to carry on. So, we are now, I will probably be able, I would like to be able to announce the appointment of the new Deputy Secretary of the We cannot leave it open. Importante yung trabaho nila. We cannot just leave it like that. Walang secretary. Kaya minamadali ko lahat. Sinasabi ko, bigyan nyo ako ng maraming pangalan. Anong gusto natin? What do we need? Tignan natin na mabuti ulit the status of the debt. What is now required? Ano pa ba ang kailangan gawin? So, what do we need? We need an educator? Do we need an administrator? Do we need an accountant? What do we need? And that's what we're trying to do.